Hi there, students. Technobabble, a noun. I think it's an uncountable noun as well, a piece of technobabble. Okay, technobabble is technical jargon. It's made of two words, technical, and babble. Babble is continuous, meaningless vocal sounds. Yeah, blah 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 blah. Yeah, that's to babble, a babble of voices. Yeah, it's something it sounds very confused. It's not clear. It's a continuous sound, especially of various people talking at the same time. So technobabble, technical language that is difficult for ordinary people to understand. Um, Technical language that people use. So words or expressions connected with technology, particularly computers, that ordinary people just don't understand. And this is used to very often impress or confuse rather than to inform. I think very often technobabble it's implying the use of words, complicated words and phrases to keep out people who don't understand. Um, let's see, you could use scientific technical language, technobabble, in science fiction. Yeah, also called technospeak. It's a kind of nonsense that consists of buzzwords, esoteric language, and technical jargon. Um, Technobabble is very, something that you find in science fiction. It's to make it sound scientific. It gives it a false impression of meaningful technical scientific content. But normally technobabble is technical jargon that you just can't understand. Incomprehensible technical language. How often have you wanted to fix something on your computer? So you do a search and you find a page that talks about it, and then you suddenly discover that the page is full of technobabble, and it's absolutely impossible to follow the instructions because of the technobabble. Yeah, the technobabble. So babble, this confused sound, particularly babies babble before they start to talk. Speech babble, speech or talk that has no meaning. The baby's babble would soon turn into language. And then technobabble, incomprehensible technical words. I think very often. So yeah, you go to the garage and you get your car repaired, and the mechanic gives you all sorts of technobabble, followed by a bill for £500. So technobabble. There's also actually a word psychobabble, which I did a video about. It's the same idea, but technobabble, talking about incomprehensible technical jargon. They say that much of the dialogue of Star Trek can be considered as technobabble. Yeah, something to make it sound interesting. But well, technobabble is normally you're being critical of the way someone's talking. Yeah, you want to get it. You want to explain things in words that people understand. I guess as a teacher, if I really got deeply into grammar, I could use all sorts of technobabble about the different grammatical pieces. So techno and babble, formality. 4.5 in formality. Use anywhere except for somewhere very formal. So, Technobabble. Bye for now.